Hello students, welcome to Nalanda classes. In the series of Geometry for Beginners, we are discussing some basic concepts of geometry. Today we will discuss about types of angles. Depending upon the measurement of angles, we can divide the angles as acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Now let us see one by one what are these terms mean. So let us see first what is an acute angle. The acute angles are those whose measurement is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Let us see an angle of 60 degree. So remember the angles between 0 degree and 90 degree, if you see the protector, this is 0 degree mark and this one is 90 degree mark. So angle between this range are all acute angles. So let us see an angle of 60 degree. So first you have to draw one of the arm of the angle. Suppose this arm is drawn. This is the starting point of the arm. Put the central point of the protector at the starting point, overlapping the base mark of the protector with the arm, and find out the 60 degree. Here 60 degree value is this. Put a mark here. Now join the starting point with this. This is now become an angle of 60 degree. So it is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. Okay, so it is called an acute angle. Now let us see right angle, whose measurement is exactly 90 degree, are called right angle. Now let us see how to draw a 90 degree angle. In the same way, you have to draw an arm here, and now see here the 90 degree mark. Put the center of the protector with the starting point of the arm, overlapping the arm, and mark here at the 90 degree. Okay, this is, now join this. This is 90 degree angle. We generally put the mark of the 90 degree in this way. So this is called a right angle. Now let us see an obtuse angle. Obtuse angles are those angles whose measurement is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Now in the protector, if you see here, this is the 0 mark and this is 90 degree mark, and these 100, 110, 120 up to this 180. That means the range of these angle is in between these values. Okay, now let us see a 120 degree angle. So draw the base arm, one of the arm of the angle, put the central point of the protector. Now find here 120 degree, this, put a mark here. This is 120 degree mark joined with the starting point. So this is 120 degree angle. So it is an obtuse angle. Now let us see what is a straight angle. The angle whose measurement is exactly 180 degree are called straight angle. Now how can we draw a straight angle? Here you see in the protector, this is 0 degree mark and this is opposite side, here is 180 degree mark. So this angle from 0 to 180 degree, this is called straight angle. So you can draw line here, then put the central point, and on the other side you get here 180 degree, So join this. This is the straight angle. That means a straight line is obtained. You see here a straight line. This is straight angle 180 degree. Okay, so straight angle whose measurement is 180 degree. The fifth type of angle is called reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? The reflex angles are those angles whose measurement is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So, any acute angle, in an acute angle, the other side of the acute angle is always a reflex angle. See here, in this acute angle that we have drawn of measurement 60 degree, the other side of this angle is called a reflex angle. Let us see. Now we draw an acute angle here. This is an acute angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree. So the other side of this angle, this one, is called a reflex angle. So to find the measurement of reflex angle, first you have to know what is a complete angle. So complete angles are those angles in which the measurement of the angle is 360 degree. So remember, the angle whose measurement is 360 degree is called a complete angle. So see here, suppose we draw a line here, line segment. So around this point, this angle, around the point, this whole angle is called complete angle. Okay. So measurement of complete angle is 360 degree. So using the concept of this complete angle, that at a point the total angle is always 360 degree, we can measure the value of the reflex angle by knowing the acute angle's measurement. Okay, so here if you do this one, that this acute angle is 60 degrees. So what is the value of this reflex angle? So remember this, that total value of the angle at a point is 360 degree. So this acute angle is 60 degree. That means 60 degree plus this reflex angle equal to 360 degree. Therefore, reflex angle we can find out as 360 degree minus 60 degree. That comes to other side. So this implies reflex angle is what? This is equal to 300 degree. So using the measurement of total angle from the value of acute angle, we can find its reflex angle. Okay. Now using this concept, you can do this problem. Okay. So find the value of x here in the following figure. This diagram is given to you. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles are there. One angle is unknown, that is x, and you have to find the value of x. So send the answer in my comment box. Thank you.